Hello everyone, this is Raj. Welcome to TechFerment. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how we can create a Vue.js application with the help of Vue CLI. So let's get started. As I mentioned in the previous video, we can create a Vue.js application with the help of Vue CDN, or you can use Vue CLI. So this is a website for the Vue.js. I'll click on Get Started button. And then here we have a CDN. You can use this Vue.js JavaScript library for creating a application on Vue.js, or you can use Vue CLI. So how you can go to the Vue CLI, you just need to go to the ecosystem in the navigation, and then we have a Vue CLI. So you just need to install Vue CLI in your system. So before installing the Vue CLI, you need to install Node.js in your system. So we have a website for the Node.js. You just need to open the website nodejs.org, and here you can download the Node.js. And then after, you can go to the Get Started button in the Vue CLI website, and then we have installations part, and then here we have a command. You can install the Vue CLI with the help of this command: npm install -g @vue-cli. So I'll copy this command, and what I'll do here, I'll go to the PowerShell, and you can paste this command and then you can run. I have already installed Vue CLI in my system. Now we can create a project with the help of Vue CLI. So I have created this project as a folder, and I'll go to the Windows, and then we have a PowerShell. I can open the PowerShell, and then we have a command Vue create. So this is a command. With the help of this command, you can create a project. Here you need to mention the project name. Let's say my project name is my app. So Vue create and then your application name, and then you can press enter. Yeah, this is a preset. So you can use Vue 2 or Vue 3, or you can select the manual feature. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Vue specific, the version 2. So I'll go to the third part, manually select the feature, and then press enter. And there are a lot of features that you can use in your Vue.js applications. So first one is, I have selected the Vue version because we will go to the Vue 2, and then we have a Babel. We use Babel for running a JavaScript code on different browser, and then we have a TypeScript. So right now I'm not using TypeScript, and the next part is for the PWA, progressive web apps. And you can use router module if you want to create a multi-view pages, or maybe contact page, about page, home page. So you can create views, different views, with the help of router module. And similarly, we have a Vuex. Vuex is a module. With the help of Vuex, you can create a centralized storage mechanism. So right now I'm not selecting this one part. And then we have a CSS preprocessor. You can use, it's totally up to you. And then we have a linter or formatter for formatting your JavaScript code. And then last two options is for the testing purpose, unit testing and E2E testing. So right now I have selected Vue version, Babel, router, and the linter, and then I'll press enter, and then this will ask you for the Vue version. So I'll select the Vue 2, and then this will ask for the router. So you want to use history mode or not. So if we use history mode, my route file, the path will be easy to understandable, for example /contact. Or if I disable the history mode, the route part will be #contact #about. So I'll type yes because I want my route will be easy to understandable for the user. So I'll type y. And then we have a linter formatter. This is a config file, so you can use any of the file. It's totally up to you. So right now I'm selecting the first one, ESLint with error prevention only, and then press enter. And then here you can select lint related things, like you can save the lint on the save. So I'll click one first option, and then you can say save this is the configuration file for the Babel ESLint in the same package.json file, or maybe dedicated file. It's totally up to you. So I'll select a dedicated config file, and this will ask you for the preset. It's totally up to you. You want to use this preset in the future project or not. So right now I'm not using this one, so I'll type n and then press enter. So now a simple project will be going to be created by the Vue CLI with the help of these configurations. Here my project has created, so we have a file or a directory name is my app, and we can shift to the or jump to the directory my app with the help of command cd my app. And then here we can run, or the VS Code editor you can use code dot and then press enter, so your workspace will be open with the help of VS Code editor. So this is my project. Here we have a project directory, and then if you want to run your Vue.js application, you just need to go to the terminal. So this is a terminal in VS Code editor. You can open the terminal, and here you can run the command npm run serve. So with the help of this command, you can run your Vue.js application for the development purpose. So I'll press enter, and you can also check out the informations about the Vue.js application. There's a readme.md file. Here we have an instruction for the project setup, and the next command for the development, and the next command is for the productions for building Vue.js applications, and then we have a ESLint related command. So now we have this particular link. You can open this link on the browser. So we have opened this link in the browser. We have a these file, and this is the project directory. Here inside we have a src. Here in this part we have a views. So these all are the components, like in Java, every front-end framework. So we have a components. So if I talk about Vue.js, so we can create a components with the help of .vue file, and inside component we can have a HTML code, CSS code, or JavaScript code, and you can write your HTML code with the help of template tag. So that's why we have written template tag, and inside we have added the Java HTML logic. And similarly, if you want to add some JavaScript related stuffs, you can use script tag, or if you want to add some style, you can use style tag. So this is how the Vue.js application is work, and you can make the application, you can customize the application based on your requirement. So like right now I'm working on the development part. If you want to build your application, you can go navigate to the second terminal, and you just need to run this command npm run build for productions ready application. So that will generate your static file so that you can host your file on Firebase or any other hosting platform. So we have this directory. Inside this directory we have a static css, same for the images, and next we have a javascript file, and then we have a index.html. So these are the static file. You can deploy these file on the hosting platform, maybe DigitalOcean, Heroku, Firebase, or any other hosting platform. So that's all from my end. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Like, if you have any questions, you can ask your question in the comment section.